Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता की तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली साऊथ आनी भलायकेन. Watch till the end to see a surprise drone video of Karnataka. So today हांव तुमकां दाखयता Sheera semolina sweet dish. So त्या दिसा दाखयलेलो हांवें तुमकां येलो कलर केसरी येलो कलर and today आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता ऑरेंज कलर. सो फॉर दॅट आनी आयज आमचें कितें गेट टुगेदर हा सो हांव ही क्वॉन्टिटी पूण ही सुबेज दाखयता तुमकां. सो फॉर लायक वेन यू हॅव अ स्मॉल पार्टी एंड यू नीड टू मेक मोर क्वॉन्टिटी सो इट इज फॉर दॅट. सो मातशी क्वॉन्टिटी हांव सुबेज आसा. तो आयज हांव ohले 2 वाटी raw घेता बारीक raw. So 2 bowls like this bowls or 2 cups, you can say 2 cups of rava, that is semolina, then 1 cup of clarified butter, that is ghee, pure ghee. Then I'll be taking few of kesar, vanilla essence and almonds and 2 cups of sugar, okay, and these are few kishmish and cashew nuts. So what I have done I will show you. So I've already added my orange color to this, 2 cups of sugar into this, little bit of salt and few strands of kesar, and it's nicely hot. It's I boiled it till the sugar melts. Okay, so this procedure you have to keep ready. Now let's add our ghee. And let's add our 2 bowls of rava, that is Sheera. Gas slow. So I will add 1 more into this. So when you have something get together, that time you add this much of quantity. Now we'll fry this very nicely on low flame. Now, if you want to add less ghee, that is a pure ghee, clarified butter, yes you can. And if you don't like ghee, then you can always use oil, same quantity or lesser depending upon you. But if you add what I said, then you will get a nice Sheera or Sheero. जर तर तुमकां उणें घालूंक जाय घी or तेल or बटर जाल्यार तुमच्यान उणें घालूं येता. ओके, पूण जेन्ना आमी सारके मेजरमेंटान घी घालीत आमच्या शिऱ्याक जाल्यार सारको आमच्या रेस्टॉरंटान पंढरी कोंगुटी आमचे पंढरी म्हणून आसा, आनंद रेस्टॉरंट आसा, पंढरी रेस्टॉरंट आसा, दिलखुश रेस्टॉरंट आसा. तितून जरी तर वयशी जाल्यार तुका ही हे ohलो शिरो मेवतलो. नवतारा हे सगळे तूं वयशी जाल्यार तुका असलोच सारको मेवतलो स्मूथ कसो न्हू. तर बरो भाजून घ्या, बरो फुलोंक जा. ओके, at this point we will add our vanilla essence to this. This is almond essence and vanilla essence. So you can, if you don't have almond essence, then only vanilla essence can be used. Sugar also, if you are a little bit of sugar thing, then you can add sugar free or add less sugar. And now we will add our sugar, water. And mix this. See, there is no lumps. So smaller quantity I've already shown, so y'all can check that. This is only if you have anything urgent, like you want to make something urgent, some sweet dish, then this is the best one. जर तुमकां फटाफट कळलें की कोण फ्रेंडां येता जाल्यार ह्यो शिरो करून तुमी तांकां घालात, तांकां सगल्यांक आवडटलो. सो एट दीस पॉयंट थोडी किशमिश घालया हितून आनी थोडे काजू बियो घालया. तो ताकी हितून भितर सारकें मिक्स जावपाक आनी थोडे मागीर आमी वयर डेकोरेट करुया. ओके, हांवें हे रोस्ट करूंक ना, जे डेकोरेट करतली ते हांव रोस्ट करतली. मिक्स करात. ऑलमोस्ट जालो, मातसो वगत आनी हें करुया. And here it is, आमचो शिरो ready आसा. Our Sheera is ready. It's orange color and with cashew and kishmish with kesar, and I have put almond incense also, vanilla incense. So hope you will all enjoy this and enjoy. So it is like around for 20 to 30 people. This is sufficient for 20 to 30 people depending on how much you are going to serve. So I will show you now what I am going to do with my cashew and kishmish. It's looking so yum. So now I will roast this cashews and kishmish. So I will add my kishmish, little bit of ghee. Now this is an optional. If you don't want to roast this, then you can always add directly how I added directly. Okay, jenka कोणांक किशमिशा आमची रेझन्स or किशमिश हें करूंक नाका, रोस्ट करूंक नाका, तेंच्यांनी ह्यो स्टेप ओमीट करूं येता आनी डायरेक्ट हांवें जे पळय घातला आमच्या शिऱ्यान, जेन्ना शिरो शिजतालो तेन्ना पूण घालूं येता. आनी कितले जाय तुमकां हें तें तुमचे प्रमाणे आसा, कितले घालपाचे ते. सो पळय कॅज्यू नट्स इतलेच हा. मातशें फुलोवन घेवया. Okay, this is enough. See, now I will add this to Sheera. The Sheera is rich, but yes, when any guests are coming at your place, then it is nice. Now we will roast our cashew nuts. Hope you all will all enjoy this recipe. So this is in more quantity. The last was only for 4 people. Okay. तर त्यांना हांवें पयलीं दाखयल्या पळय शिऱ्याची रेसिपी ती जावन आसा इल्लीशी 3 ते 4 लोकांक लागून. ही जावन आसा 20 ते 25 ते 30. I'm only adding not the ghee, okay? Ghee is here only. So hope you will all enjoy this Sheera. Thank you so much. Dev bare karo. And now for the drone shot.